Select this surface, sketch, select from the drop-down menu corner rectangle, select this corner up to here, smart dimension from this line to this line here, as you can see, is 3. So I type 3 here, enter, select this line, 3. Features, Extrude Cut. Change the option here to up to surface and select the surface. OK. Now we're going to design these bits here, and this one here. Rotate your orientation, your view orientation. Select the surface here, select sketch, select center line. Do it as I do it now. Find the midpoint of this line, select here, select here, here and here, escape. Select again the center line from this point to this point and this point here. Select smart dimension. As you can see, the distance between the center and the next corner, the next cutting edge, is 25. 25. Escape. Select the center line and this center line here. Hold Control key at the keyboard and make them equal. Right, select the polygon, make sure this is 3. One more here and another one here. Escape. Smart dimension. This is 7.8, 7.7, sorry, 7.5, and here is 9, and here is 6. Now select this line, hold Control key this line and make them collinear. The same with this line here, collinear, and select this line and this line here and make them collinear. Features, Extrude Cut. From blind, select the up to surface. Select the surface here. Select OK.